Hausa abatagokwa na Ogidi nke dị na Anambra steeti ndị be bịakwa nụrụ nke na-eme ebe anụnwa.
Yeah, come. Look, you people, how can you just come and camp inside a bush? There are no doors here. These are bachas. How is that the way woman being lives? How can you just come and camp inside a bush? Why don't you integrate yourself into the community? You can rent houses and live elsewhere, not inside a bush. These are not done that way. Yeah? That's not the where you come and show me your book. You people cannot just come and live inside a bush. Camp inside. Everybody here should come out. Let's know how many persons here. Everybody should come out. Everybody should come out. Everybody should come out. Yeah, everybody here should just come out. Let's know what is happening. Everybody should come out. Where is it? Everybody should come out. You cannot come and live inside this kind of bush and pretend that you are. It is not right. It is not right. If you want to live in a community, you can't rent houses. There are houses scattered around the community. I think we told him you are coming this morning.
Hey, are you? Then you see us over. They were on the over. You want that? You want that? What is it? Hey, look down. I can't find one there. Why down?
What I am trying to say is this. You people cannot come and live inside. You can't come and live inside it. If you want to stay in a village community, you go into the community and rent houses and stay here. For you to come and stay inside the bush, it's a threat to the community. We cannot allow that. So where is the person you said I gave you?
I didn't actually.
No.
Buy the chop. I fetch Kingeri. Kagani. Bamu kore kuwa. Mamuche kuwa ya tashiba. Amaya the Kuka Tara Waringa. Buy the chop. I fetch Kingeri. I fetch Gidaja. Kingeri. You want the keso. Kashigat Kingida. Chicken Geri. Asamugida. Fobia. Uzanna. Ba akoren ko ba ce a tashi ba amma dai a samu yanda kuka tara wurin kun yawa nan daki nawa ne a wurin ga amma mutane sun yawa wurin ga shine abinda gari
Allah ya za ta lai ba 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 ta da tawakkal idan aka ce ai kaga kamar misali yanzu an ce mun yawa so dama kaga mai aya so irin wannan sana'a bare yi mutum ya je cikin gari ba
kai ka gane ko wanga where is the boss, where is your guy?
Misali yanzu in kuna ka doki gida cikin gida a ce ku shida ne a wurin nan dole a samu inda za ku sa aya
sai ko ne ku
dole a samu inda za ku sa aya ka gane yanda kun ka tara haka kun ka zuba ba ya da kyau mu ba mu da shi ba ba mu da shi ba in kuma an ba ku so gaba da sai mu kore ku waya da kuma duk gidajen da sai mu buga shi kasa shine abin da ba mu so Who I say, we hit the new way. We hit the new way. Come on. So where are that? All that don't come on.
Yes, now when did you know boy is that? Na side there.
Nobody go there. If not be this, they have nobody go market. They rest on Monday. No, they come out. They on Monday. Every Monday. Every Monday.
So where others go now?
And now the people now. Not the too much penalty the way they think. This rubber said, no be you understand one. Not be one over one person. No, no thing like that. Me say, one person go get 7, one person go get 10. Maybe say there one I can
na anugo n'unu na-akọ n'elu ndị Hausa na-akọ n'ana unu na-agwafa na faya apụ ka faja chọrọ unu bidi ndị Hausa na-agwa unu na ofu onye nwe boketi na boketi na ofu onye na-enwe 10 nwere 20 adaghị anụ asụtụ agha ọkwọ nnukwu aja ife ka ọ bụ a na-agọ n'elu anafa akọ n'ana na faya hapụ apụ mbọsị Mọnde a na-agwafa na faya apụ fa na-ekwu na boketi na ọ bụghị ofu onye nwe ofu na ofu onye nwe ike inwe boketi 10 na ntu afụrụ boketi niile anụnwa ise ebe anụnwa na ọ bụlakwa na ofu onye nwe ofu onye nwe ofu na ofu onye nwe 5 ofu onye nwe 10 ndị Ogidi ngwa unu na fa pere ebe ahụ